Music is an integral part of our lives. It shapes our moods, emotions, and even our memories. And in the world of movies and TV, music is that one ingredient that can make or break a scene. When done right, it's not just background noise. It's a character in itself. The right music can heighten tension, like when you hear the ominous two-note rhythm in Jaws, signaling that something is about to go terribly wrong.